Hey, what's up guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my premium Bandai Hyaku Shiki Kai, the mass-produced version from the Zeta Gundam series. And yes, this is to be honest, I don't have plans on buying this because I already have the Hyakushiki that is a gift from my ex-girlfriend that is my wife already. She gave it to me as a gift 2021 during the pandemic years or days. So I already built that 2022, and I bring it to Saudi Arabia to make it display in my clinic and in my room. But since I like the Hyakushiki so much, I bought this even if this is not in my plan. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Hyakushiki Kai has to offer us collectors. Fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box art here shows the Hyakushiki Kai, and this is all gold monochrome colored box, the traditional PBandai style of box art here. And it's to be honest, this kit doesn't excite me much since I already built the Hyakushiki here. So this is the chrome version, or the version 2.0, where it's in a gold chrome like color. And there I didn't apply yet the decals for this, and I already built it since 2022, July 2022. And this is a gift from my wife, and she bought it from Japan and delivered to Germany. And then she sent it to Saudi Arabia. Then I sent it to Philippines and assembled it here in the Philippines and brought it again to Saudi Arabia for display in my clinic and in my room. Okay, so it doesn't excite me much anymore because I already have this. But since I really love the Hyakushiki and I love my wife, so I bought a partner for him, and this is the Hyakushiki Kai. So let's check the box here. So there's nothing much in the box except for the brandings here, also the brand there. Okay, so if we open the box here, we can see the premium Bandai receipt where I bought it. Of course, the premium Bandai shop in the Shopee. Okay. So there we go. You can see here the instruction manual. And we can see the Hyakushiki Kai pose same in the box art here. Since this is mass produced, so we expect these are all, it's like a grunt suit. Okay, and there we got the markings here on the back of the manual, and also we have the markings for the Hyakushiki. So what I know about this kit is it has also the head and shoulder armor for the Hyakushiki. So if you want this to become the regular Hyakushiki, you may do so. And there we go. So the instruction manual is not that hard to understand, and there since I already built it, I already know what to do. And good thing is this is undergated kit, so knob marks is not visible after you finish it, since Hyakushiki here, my old Hyakushiki, doesn't have any knob marks visible. The only difference, of course, is the color of the gold here. This is the injection gold, not the chrome sprayed gold. And the decals here are water slide decals, unlike the Hyakushiki 2.0, the regular one. Dry transfer decals and sticker decals there. So I will enjoy applying these things because I might use this in the Hyakushiki, and the dry transfer I might use here on the Kai. Okay. So there we go. Got all the Hyakushiki Kai stuff here, and the heads for the regular Hyakushiki. Okay. So I might keep this, or yep, I might also build this one. And we got black parts for the inner frame parts. So this differs from the 2.0, where the 2.0 is like a metallic gray. There we go. Inner frame parts. Okay, so armor pieces for the guns. We got polycaps also. Extra parts for the balut system, and this one for the rocket launcher, clay bazooka. Okay, inner frame parts and maroon parts. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner G for this very nice. To be honest, I much now like this injection gold compared with the chrome gold of the Hyakushiki Kai. Yes. So this is very. You can see the it's like this have some glitters mix on the plastic and the paint like that. So there, it's very nice glittering gold there. So we got two sets of this runner G here. Okay, and we got here runner I1 for the shoulder armor and other armor pieces here for the Gatling gun or the beam Gatling guns. So we got I2 here. We got runner F for the armor pieces. We got this gray parts, runner B for the inner frame parts. Then runner D, two sets of runner D here. Then we got multicolored runner here for runner A. Then we got the polycaps. There we got polycaps here, PC211. There we go. We got runner H for the clay bazooka, and for the this one for the balut system. Yep, spare parts. Then we got inner frame parts here, runner C. Then we got this runner E here for the maroon parts. And again, I got to see many Char Aznable figure here, so I already got two of these Char Aznable figure from my old Hyakushiki, and this spare clay bazooka ammo. So what is nice about this spare here, I got to use it for my what you call this Amaro Race Rick DJ, the DJ MSK DJ. So I got to utilize this spare ammo for the clay bazooka of Amaro Ray, but now I will have another spare for this after I use this. Okay. And after that, we got the beam saber effect parts, by the way. So this is the clear yellow beam saber effect parts, and we got this water slide decals. Okay, so very nice. I really like the logo there, the AUG logos there, and the Hyakushiki Kai there. And we got foil stickers for the eyes. So we got sets of this for the Hyakushiki and the Kai. So let's build this kit. And welcome back to the finished product of the Hyakushiki Kai. And in this video, I will introduce also the Hyakushiki 2.0, which is a very special model kit here with me because this is a gift from my wife when she's still my girlfriend, and this is my first master grade model that I built before the rest of the kits that I have. So this is really an important kit to me, and good thing that I got a chance to review this also together with this Hyakushiki Kai. So technically speaking, the Hyakushiki Kai and the 2.0, they're both the same. The only difference with this kit, of course, is this has a different kind of head and shoulder, but in the package they got this one got the Hyakushiki variation, also the shoulders and the head. So you can also turn this one into the normal Hyakushiki if you want. So that's the option if you don't want to buy two. But for me, this is my wife's gift. Okay, so there we go. Hyakushiki Kai here got this cannons, this beam gatlings on the shoulders. There we go. We got two sets of this, but this is really loose. Okay, so it's easily removable, and I might put some joint tightening glue here to make it a bit stiff, or hard to pull out like that. And I just apply the wings here. So the Hyakushiki Kai doesn't have wings, but I just like to put the wings on to make it more beautiful. Okay, so this is a custom version. So the armaments included here is the hands, or the gun here, the Hyakushiki beam saber. So most Delta Gundams, or not Delta, Zeta Gundam characters or mobile suit does have this kind of design on their guns. I just noticed. And even the, I will just get it. So even the kit here, this one, Amuro Race DJ, they got the same set of gun. So there, we got this gun here and the clay bazooka. So this is Amuro Race custom. This one, the DJ. So they got the same gun here, and also for the bazooka, the clay bazooka here. So they got the same set of bazooka. And what I like with the bazooka here is we got the magazine and the ammo, or the bullet, the rocket there. So this is very nice. So there, we got this bazooka. And for articulation, so this kit has this kind of shoulder. So it's, you need to remove it first for it to move well. Okay, because it will hamper with the backpack, but ideally the backpack is not supposed to be here. I just like to put it here, by the way. Okay, or the wing. Okay, so the arms can rotate 360 degrees without those binders. Okay, so the elbows can bend about 180 degrees like that. And I really like the hand of this kit. It's much expressive. This is a much expressive hands for this kind of kit. Even though even in the Hyakushiki they got the same hands, it's more expressive for me. And for the head can rotate like this, not 360 degrees, but honestly speaking, I really like the head of this. It reminds me of the alien character from the movie, you know, the Alien versus Predator, the Alien movie. Reminds me of the head design. It's very nice, and it also looks like the Buku head from the Gundam Seed lines, like that. Okay, so there we go. Let's attach it again. Okay. The waist can rotate like that, 360 degrees. Very nice. Okay, and for the side skirts can raise up to this far. Front skirt can raise up to this far also. So it's got a ball joint there. And for the butt flap, it can raise up like that. And for the legs here, it can raise or kick up to this far. Very cool. And for the knee bend, it's very cool as well. We got pistons there on the sheen. There we got the pistons. Okay, so can do double joint bend like that. And for the feet, there we go. The piston plays like that, and the feet can move side to side. And it can even rotate 360 degrees. Very cool. And there's a tip toes like that. Toe bend, toe extend, toe flex like that. Okay, so very cool. Can do dynamic poses, which is very awesome. But the minor issue for me that I encountered with this kit is some of the joints are loose, especially here in the binders, but supposed to be the binders is not applied here. We got the cap or lid that can cover this hole, because Hyakushiki Kai doesn't come with these binders. I just apply the binders because I like putting it in the Hyakushiki Kai. So there we go. And for the guns or the Gatling guns, should be applied here. So in the box art, you can see Hyakushiki with only one Gatling gun. If you want to attach only one, but comes with the two Gatling guns, so might as well put all the Gatlings here. Okay. So there you go. Very cool design, and I just like the symmetry of this kit. At the same time, the articulation is so nice. But in terms of color, I much like the Hyakushiki 2.0, this chrome gold plated kit. The color is really vibrant. It really shines, especially if the light hits the surfaces. So the surfaces really shines bright compared with this yellowish gold. So there you go. This is just a quick review of the Hyakushiki Kai together with the Hyakushiki 2.0. So they're almost the same. They are identical except for the shoulder and the head and the color, of course. This is the chrome gold, this is not the chrome gold. So this is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying thank you for watching this review. See you next time.